want to do you know. New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up my people, big up on the cell man. Don't know say New Link there and from New Link production. So right about now my people, I'm gonna talk about an incident where them say happened like 2 years ago. But to the lady in this who involved in this incident with another lady people who is now a deceased, you understand? This lady now got caught today and I tell her she was slapped, you know what I mean, with the charge. She was found guilty of the charge and she plead guilty to certain part of the thing, you know what I mean, for the murder and thing where she commit, you know what I mean. And to tell the people this happened in a Barbados, and this me I talk about 2 Jamaican females, because me I tell her say 2 years ago now people, and they said that now people 2 years ago, right, sometime over there in the Barbados now, these 2 female, one age 26 who is now in police custody in a jail or whatever. The other one 34 years old. 2 of them are 2 prostitutes who are selling body in a Barbados. Because that them left Jamaica go Barbados go do. You understand? Yeah man. Go sell them body. So to say that now people, like them a business come in, seeing where a client, a man come in now and but the man say yo, he want the 2 of them. You know what I mean? He want the 2 of them for deal it. So the 2 ladies them they deny the car, you understand? And one of the lady like that say yo, me and her and a friend in so me nah do no. She not up to it. They get me answer, me nah do no business with whatever. And they said that now people, the one who's 26-year-old, you know what I mean? Take out her knife and use her knife people. I mean not in a lie. Bore up the other one, 14 stabbing gear people. Then she just run off and dash with the knife and you know what I mean? Don't know some people see what go and take the man in the car, see what go on and them alert the police come on. Shortly after that them take her up and have her up now people. You get me I say 2 prostitutes in the Barbados. You know what I mean? And for telling now people, them are 2 Jamaican. This happened 2 years ago. Now, the girl got caught people and you know what I mean? She said she not guilty on murder. You know what I mean? But for manslaughter, she guilty. So what she has said is people, she know she do it, she stab her, but what she has said is like a self-defense thing. You know what I mean? And she a beg for leniency. She appeal and a beg for leniency like them figure her a short time or something. But in the end people, even though I told Jamaican them, she know say this is Barbados. And when they come on to crime like that, Barbados them now sorry for nobody. So honestly, me I go tell her, dog I go nyam her supper. She look on a good amount of years, me I tell her in a prison of people. A murder that she do, you know. Give somebody 14 stab, what you mean by that? Eh? Because they want to go on dirty deal and the deal not work. Eh? By right, me I tell her the truth. When you left Jamaica, you know so now go out there for try hustle and make her money. You understand? But you know if you go there and kill off on one end of that foreign country. Eh? Something now work out when I just step out of the car and move on. You know, call for argument and fuss and fight because of greed and money. Eh? See the one life gone now while one they are jail now and wait for go to prison. Eh? How you feel in yourself now when you look back? Hmm? You feel a way, not true? Because the anger thing that they did upon you at the time and the anger thing lead you to do this. You know what I mean? Honestly, you know worth it. Don't worth it none at all. See it now? I tell my viewers and my subscribers, I see it and I decide say, yo, cause honestly they said this happened 2 years ago and me never hear about it. You get me as the people, I never heard about it. Or maybe I did hear about it, but it just passed me like that. You know what I mean? Because we have so much things are covered and thing. You get me? So now, I decide to say, you know, I'm going to share this with my viewers and my subscribers, but then you are going. So you say anybody who a plan, because honestly, you know, people, me not nothing against prostitutes, you know, me not disrespect them and diss them, you understand? Because they not rob and thief and kill people. You get me? I say, me and no God. You know what I mean? But all me can say is, if you don't go over so, if you go hustle and sell nobody, you get me? I say, nobody go kill off on one another. You get me? Nobody can left Jamaica for better, as we don't say. Zine, so no go for better, no go for that, no, because that's not better. One day in the whole 6'6" now, while the other one, you get me? I say, come on, man. That's waste of time, waste of life, waste of everything. You get me? I say, waste. So, what my people me can't tell you, it just look a way if you know say I 2 yard them. And look there. Oh, Barbados people look for we as Jamaican, all of them say, we are idiot, look there. The two Jamaican idiot then come here and I sell them body. And look what them do, are two fool them, you know. Are two idiot them, you know. You see it? Looking on yourself. Go there, sure. Yeah, even say looking on yourself, looking at yourself. Come on, man. You don't know a thing of viewers and subscribers. It's a new link, you know, from New Link Production. But there people just give thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. You don't know a thing, we have to keep on attacking. Can't stop attack. You get me? I say straight attack, man. So bless up people. Enough love. Big up.
Attack. What them a go do, you know? New Link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New Link. Attack.